Children, in continuation to previous video, we are here taking up the reproductive organ and endocrine gland testes. So testes are two in number. They are located outside the abdominal cavity in the sucrotal sac, and they are only present in the male individuals as they are male reproductive organ. Now the structure of testes. Testes are mainly composed of seminiferous tubules and the stromal tissue, or which is also called as interstitial tissue. In this interstitial tissue or outside the seminiferous tubule, the Leydig cells or the interstitial cells are present in the peritubular space, that means outside the tubular or seminiferous tubules. Now, the spatial feature of the testes. The testes performs two functions. They function as primary sex organ as well as endocrine gland. Now the hormone secreted by testes. Hormone secreted by the Leydig cells or interstitial cell, and this hormone is called as a group of hormones secreted are called as androgen, and main androgen is testosterone. Okay, so now the function of androgens. So androgens actually regulates the development and maturation and function of accessory sex organs. The accessory sex organs are the organs associated with the main reproductive system or main organ testes. So accessory sex organs are epididymis, vasa deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and urethra, and they are developed under the influence of androgens. Now we are here coming to the other function of these androgens, that they stimulates the muscular growth of the facial and axial hair, aggressiveness and low pitch of voice. This all develops under the influence of androgens only. Androgens also play a very important role in stimulating the process of spermatogenesis, that is the process of formation of male gamete sperm is under the influence of androgen only. Now androgen also act on our central nervous system so that it influence the sexual behavior of males, and this hormone also produces a synthetic or anabolic effects by synthesizing the protein and carbohydrate, by producing the synthetic effects on protein and carbohydrate metabolism. So main function of androgen is spermatogenesis and to develop the secondary sexual characteristics and to develop the accessory organs of males. Now we are here coming to the another gland, that is ovary, which is again a reproductive organ also and acts as endocrine gland also. They are also present in pair in the abdomen of females. Their special feature as they produce the ovum yani ki female gamete, and also they influence the menstrual cycle. One ovum is produced in each menstrual cycle alternatively by one ovary, and it also produces hormones called estrogen and progesterone. So structure, that ovary actually composed of ovarian follicles and stromal tissue, and these follicles only secretes the female hormones. So hormones secreted by follicular cells are estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is actually synthesized or secreted by ovarian follicles, and the progesterone is secreted after the process of ovulation. A structure is formed in the follicles that is called as corpus luteum, and this corpus luteum secretes the hormone progesterone. Now the functions. The functions of estrogen. Estrogen actually stimulates the growth and activities of female secondary sexual organs. which forms at the onset of puberty. Then development and growth of ovarian follicle is also under the influence of estrogen. These follicles are present in the ovary. Appearance of female secondary sexual characteristics like mammary gland, development of the mammary gland and the high pitch of voice is under the influence of estrogen. Female sexual behavior is also regulated by the same hormone. Now the next hormone, progesterone, which is secreted by corpus luteum. This hormone supports the pregnancy. That means after the fertilization, the zygote and embryo is formed. That embryo is implanted in the wall of the uterus. So that wall of the uterus is prepared under the influence of the progesterone. Now it acts on the mammary gland and stimulates the formation of sac-like structures called alveoli for the formation of milk or secretion of milk. That also takes place under the influence of progesterone. However, you know the prolactin hormone secreted by pituitary gland also influence the formation and secretion of milk, but this assists the prolactin hormone. Progesterone also influence the mammary gland formation of sac-like structure and secretion of milk. Its main function is to implant the embryo and to prepare the wall of the uterus at the time of pregnancy. So these are the two hormones secreted by the ovary. Now I am showing you the things in the book only. That testes, it is made up of seminiferous tubules and interstitial tissue in which the interstitial cells are there, which secretes androgen. Main androgen is testosterone. Functions are written here. Then ovary, it secretes estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. Estrogen is secreted by the follicular cells and their functions. The functions of estrogens are mentioned in this paragraph. Function of progesterone are mentioned in this paragraph. So this is all about all the main endocrine glands which are there in your syllabus. Thank you.